In this video, I want to show an Enasys user how to add an asset class to the database system. An asset class is basically a way for us to distinguish different assets that have similar properties. So what most folks will do is they will create a master asset class, typically called asset, and underneath it they will create asset classes that are child asset classes to that parent. Those will be something like keys or cars or vehicles or test equipment or tools. So in this particular case, I'm going to go in and choose the asset class icon on the left, which is the gear icon. I'm going to click on it, and it's going to bring up the asset class screen. I'm going to go over and I'm going to say Add Asset Class with the button on the right. And here I need to select the parent, and in this particular case, the parent is going to be Asset, which is my master class. And I'm going to create a asset class called Keys. So I'm going to type in keys. I'm going to hit the checkbox, and I now have created an asset class called Keys. I'm going to go find keys underneath the assets here, and I'm going to click on keys, and I'm going to add some properties to the keys. So I'm going to click on add, and it's going to ask me what is the property names, what type of field is it, and where does it belong on the menu system on those panels. So I'm going to actually come in here and I'm going to click on the plus button, and I'm going to give it a new field name, and I'm going to call it key type. And so I'm going to hit the save button here. I've now created a field name of a property under asset class keys called key type. And it's going to ask me, where do you want it? Well, I'm going to create a new panel, and the new panel is going to be called key. I'm going to call it the keys panel, just to keep things clear. So I'm going to hit the save button, and it's now asking me, what field type is it? Is it a text box? Is it a integer, meaning a number field? Is it a money field? Is it a date field? What is it? I'm going to call this a text field, and I'm going to hit the checkbox up here to save it. So I've now added a property under the keys asset. And if I go and look under key again in the asset screen, I'm going to click on it. You now see I have a property on the menu keys panel called key type. So that's how you create your asset classes and the properties underneath them within Enasys. Thanks for watching.